Guys, only 2 questions I'm going to give you. Note down 2 questions. Question number 1. Portray the character of Mrs. Stapleton in the story The Open Window, within single inverted comma, The Open Window by Saki, S-A-K-I. I repeat, portray the character of Mrs. Stapleton in the story Open Window by Saki. And question 2. Mrs. Flowers is the mouthpiece of Maya Angelou. Mrs. Flowers is the mouthpiece of Maya Angelou, Angelou, Maya Angelou, full stop. Clarify the statement. Clarify the statement. The second question, only I am going to give you hints. On the basis of my hints, you will write the answer. Here Maya Angelou, she was a social activist, and she was a modern author, and she had to struggle a lot for racialism. She became the victim of racialism, the racial feelings. During that time, she also had to face just as Nelson Mandela. So, because she became the victim herself, and she was the witness of the racial feelings, that is why Maya Angelou, she has presented the character of Mrs. Flowers as the mouthpiece of her, as if Mrs. Flowers, the name is Mrs. Flowers, but it is Maya Angelou herself. Here are the young girl Margaret, she is also Maya Angelou herself. Because her autobiography says that during her young age, she was tortured, and she had to face an intense humiliation for the racial feelings, because she was black, she was dark. That is why she has presented as the young girl. Here her name is Margaret, and Mrs. Flowers also, that means the matured, middle-aged Maya Angelou. So these are the clues, guys. On the basis of these clues or points or hints, you just solve these 2 questions. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.